Okay. Hi guys. I hope y'all can hear me. There was someone whose hand was up. I don't know where he or she went. Okay. I hope all of you guys can hear me. All right. All right. So my name is Pat, your manager at the Reef Trading Academy. Welcome to this week's episode. Okay. Let me change the screen, right? Okay. Where is this one? Nowhere to be found. Okay. All right. Here we are. So this week, our focus will be okay. Here's someone. I just hope I can hear you. Lee Comfort, can you hear me? Seems okay. Lee Comfort, can you hear me? Something is wrong. I cannot hear you. Okay. Just give me a minute or so. I'll be back. Okay, where's my? Okay. Let me just try to put on and see if it works. Okay, let me this now. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, let me just allow all of you to speak. Okay. Can you hear me? Hi guys. Can all of you hear me?
Yes, you are here.
All right. That's fine then. That's fine. All right. So this week, as I was saying, this week our focus will be on the following instruments. V25 1S, of which we are already in at this time. I gave the signal today early in the morning, like at around 2 a.m. Okay, so we're also gonna watch Boom 300 for selling opportunity. And then lastly, we are going to take a look at Step Index selling opportunity as well. Okay, so let us go quickly past through those instruments. So here's our volatility 25 1S index. Let's see how it is or how it performed last week. Okay. All right. Looking at this, as you can see, okay, let me just put another one here. This one will act as our resistance level. From here to this is actually our supply zone or selling area. when the market is around here, we're expecting a sell. Even here, when it is playing around here, we are expecting a buy. Yes, around this area here, we are expecting a buy. So far, it seems like the buyers broke this level here. Like the support level is now broken. So if it is broken, if the support zone is broken, that means it might go down for a little while. So what that means is we expecting a sell, of which we're already in. Okay, looking at the bigger time frame, analyzing. Okay, looking at this candlestick here. It shows that the buyers or the sellers were in control for the whole of last week, even though the week before it showed there was a sign that the sellers might continue selling, but then the body there was very small. But then with this body, the body of last week's candlestick, it shows that the buyers are willing to go even further down. I still remember, I think it was, this week, last week, here on this candlestick here, we ate there. We had some money there. So even this week, I hope we're gonna eat some more. By the look of things. Okay. So let me just go to my daily time frame. Let us go to our daily time frame. Okay, this is actually okay. We're done with our weekly time frame. This is our daily time frame. By the look of things, as you can see, this line here, it now acts as a support zone, since it is selling this white dotted line, this white dotted trend line, say on our daily time frame. So it seems the sellers are gonna continue selling. The sellers are gonna continue being in power. The only thing that might give us a blame now we're gonna see the current candlestick, how it closes at around 2 a.m. If it closes otherwise, then we're gonna take our profit, and then if it is in profit, but then if it is not, we're gonna wait for our SL to take us there. If not, then we're gonna hold. Okay. So this is our H4 time frame. As you can see, when I zoom out. Okay, this one was actually our previous support 11. This one on our H4 time frame. Our support trend line. I think so. Yeah, if that's what. Okay. So where it is playing right now, this is actually dangerous area, but then I think this level is gonna be broken even further down, because we had our lower low, and this one was actually our second. What am I saying? This one was our. Let me zoom out. Okay, when we zoom out, you can see there is our lower high, and there we had our lower high. Even though this lower high here was almost equal to the previous lower high, but then it was below The reason it is called lower high is because it is below the previous high, as you can see. So this one is supposed to be our currently lower high, of which is expected to go even further down after this. Okay, so if you're already in, just make sure you hold until further notice them. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to go down to H1 and so on and so on. I'm just going to end here on H4 because we're already in on this one. Now let us go to boom 300, see what is happening there. I'm trying to avoid having 30 minutes session. I want it to be as quick as possible. Okay, so here's our boom 300. On boom 300, what are we expecting? We are expecting a sell. We are expecting a sell opportunity. We are waiting for a selling opportunity. So if that opportunity presents itself, then we're gonna get in. And remember, guys, I always say this on boom 300. Boom 300 and crash 300, they are very volatile. So you must make sure before you enter, you have enough amount and you are ready to lose it. Because anything can happen here. We are trying to make money, but then in those tries, you might as well lose money. So make sure that whatever amount you have is enough with the SL that I'm going to give you. Because each and every SL, there is a different amount that you be putting into risk. Okay. Okay, all right. Yeah, here's our weekly time frame. Okay, by the looking of the market, it seems the market is gonna sell for the longest time. Because okay, let me just put this one on. This one was our previous support, of which now act as a resistance. Okay, let me put another one. I think it was somewhere there. Let me put on a trend line. This one is like a first one. Yeah, no, let me just take this one out. Okay, this is how our weekly time frame looks like. This is how our weekly time frame looks like. And then when we analyze our previous week or last week's candle, the bears were in control or the sellers were in control, even though their strength or their selling power, the selling pressure was not that much. Why am I saying the selling pressure is not that much? Because the body, the candlestick body is very small. If you look at this candlestick for last week and this candlestick here, you can see the difference. This candlestick here and this candlestick here, you can see the different in length. It is very small or it is very short. Their body is very short. When their body is very short, it means that the selling pressure was very low on that particular candlestick. So, okay, so the pressure was not that much. That means we need to be much more careful, even though always we have to be careful. But at this time around, we really need to be careful. Okay, this is our daily time frame. So looking at yesterday's candlestick, yeah, the pressure was not even there as well, of which is why we did not enter today. So we'll be expecting to enter this one maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Okay, so what am I looking at now? You can see Let me just put on this one. Because a lot of things, there are many things that is happening in the market. Okay. Okay. All right. So here we have it. Yeah, here we have it. Okay. There are chances that it might go up until this level here. This level here. And then go down. If it does happen, then it does happen. There's nothing that we can do. We won't be in anyway. But then if we have an opportunity to enter, we're going to enter. We won't waste any time. So here is the thing on our H4 time frame. On our H4 time frame, okay, what is it? What is happening there? Let me zoom out. Okay, yeah, seems like something is expected to happen there. Expecting almost the same thing there. Okay, so if the opportunity happens, if the opportunity is presented, then we're going to take it. But then so far, I don't see it coming anytime soon. Not today, maybe tomorrow, but not today. Okay. All right. Yes. So let us go to the last one, step index. Step index. Okay, where is it? Here you are. This is our weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. Now, let us zoom out so that everyone can see. Here we have it. Let me just put it like this. Okay. Yeah, looks like this, right? From here, every time it touches this line, this trend line, goes down. Okay, goes down. Even though right here it appeared to be, it was more like, it seemed like a breakout, but then it was a fourth breakout. Then it came back down, another fourth breakout. Then right now we are expecting a sell, because this breakout there, it seemed like first one, but then again, it might not be a first breakout. Looking at this level here, let me zoom in if you can see this level here, this point here, then this point here, and this point here. It forms a new, what can I say? New points that you need to consider. Like if I join these points here, okay, it means that now they're no longer respecting this line. Now it seems like they are more for the past, I don't know, for the past few weeks, these points, this line here, this trend line, have been respected for some time. So what are we waiting for here? We are waiting for a selling opportunity. What I'm gonna do, because I'm trying to catch it early so that we don't get left behind. We're gonna wait for this level here. This level here, you see this point. If it goes down all the way down to this point or this area, then we're gonna sell, because even this level is very strong, so we may not want, this level here. as you can see. So we are waiting for a selling opportunity. That opportunity might be on Wednesday, to be specific. If it does not happen on Wednesday or Thursday, then we're going to leave it and look for other opportunities. Okay. As you can see, on our daily time frame. Okay, I don't want to force things. Let me just take this one out. I want to force things. Okay. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So we are waiting for selling opportunities on all three of our instruments. V25-1S, Boom 300, Step Index. Already we are in on V25, and surely we are making profit there. All of us, if you entered by the time I said you must enter. So I don't know if there is anyone with a question or something to say. I don't know. If you have a question, just keep your hand up. I'm going to ask you. I'm going to give you an opportunity. Okay. So let's see. There's no one with a hand up. So that means everyone heard it clear. All right.
Life is ready to help.
Hi, Pat. Good afternoon.
How are you? How are you, Tolwane?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I have a question to ask. Yeah. Okay, I missed the V25 signal because I was asleep when you sent it. But if you look at the charts, there is like a little support. I don't think it's a major support, but there is a previous Can you open it so like I can see the V25-1S chart?
I'm going there. Okay, here it is. I zoomed in. On which time frame? Because this one is H4 time frame.
Yes. This is fine. Now this support zone here.
The current one,
support zone. Yeah, that was on the 4th of October.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes,
so,
yes, I see.
Yeah, so why did you ignore that support zone? What if it reverses and retests the other zone? Is that not risky?
Okay. So let us go to our upper time frame, which is daily time frame. Can you see there?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So what happened there is that I entered here at around 2. Yes, it is risky to ignore some of the time frames. It is risky. But then some of the risks are worth to be taken. I don't know if you understand me.
Yeah,
so by the look of things, just like you said that it don't seem to be a major support level, but then it is still a support level of which we should have considered. But then I chose to ignore it. Why? Because by the look of things, it seems like it is not that strong. So there are chances that it might be broken. And looking at where I entered right above it. You see?
Yes,
so
I can see.
If it happens that we see a reversal candlestick on H4 or or on a daily time frame, we can consider taking our profit if we see a reversal candlestick on these 2 time frames, the daily time frame and H4, but more focusing on a daily time frame. If we see a reversal candlestick on a daily time frame, then we're going to consider taking our profit because it won't look good for us. But if not, then we're going to hold until this level is broken, because otherwise we're going to break, and then again we're going to, I don't want to see this, but then yeah. So yeah, that is why I ignored that level, because it was not that strong. It is not that strong. I mean.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right. But then if you missed it, then I'm gonna tell you when to enter it again when this level is now broken, or we're gonna enter when this level is broken.
I would really appreciate that, because I missed the signal, and when I saw that support level, I was actually waiting for a major reversal. Then I'll enter, but I'd appreciate it if you can tell me when to enter again. Thank you very much.
But then if you see something that is about to happen there, you can also remind me, because I'm not always on the chat.
Yeah, sure. I'll remind you.
All right. No
Thank you.
problem then. All right. Let's see if there's anyone with a question. Oh, seems like no one. We're all fine. All right. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your night. Enjoy your evening. I mean.